Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up and join Google Classroom on iPhone 14. So to do this, open up your App Store. Here we want to go for the search button and find Google Classroom app. Now select it, click on this cloud with arrow pointing down. When it's ready, open it. Here we can click on Get Started, choose the account, or in this case we'll need to sign in for Google Classroom. After you signed in, you'll need to allow the access for the app. Click on this plus button, join the class, enter the class code which you should be provided with, and simply click on join. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.